Andy from Flushmate here. Today we're going to show you how to adjust the flush valve cartridge in your Flushmate vessel if the vessel continues to run on. Before you begin, make sure you read and understand the entire installation and owner's manuals. Because Flushmate systems are pressurized, make sure you completely shut off the water supply to the unit and flush it to release pressure. Failure to do so could result in damage or injury. For this job, you'll need a pair of pliers, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver or 1/4 inch nut driver. The quick mate wrench can also be used in place of pliers. Always be sure to use only genuine Flushmate replacement parts. If the Flushmate unit is not setting up, the first thing to check is the clearance between the flush rod and the cartridge actuator. There should be at least 1/8 of an inch of clearance, or about the thickness of a nickel, between the flush rod and the actuator. You don't want more space than this. If the actuator needs to be adjusted for 1/8 inch clearance, you can loosen the set screw and turn the actuator to increase or decrease the clearance. If the unit is still running, you will need to adjust the cartridge. First, turn the water supply to the toilet off by turning the handle clockwise or to the right. Now flush the toilet. This will relieve the pressure in the Flushmate vessel. To access the cartridge, press down on the flush lever and pull the white barrel forward and swing the lever open. If your Flushmate has a flush rod, loosen the clips and screws and slide the flush rod out. Next, remove the set screw from the center of the actuator cap with your Phillips head screwdriver. Thread the cartridge into the vessel clockwise until one black thread on the vessel is showing above the cartridge. You may need to use the handles of your pliers to do this. Turn the water supply to the toilet on all the way and let the water run for 5 seconds before you begin adjusting. Next, turn the flush cartridge in quarter-turn increments with your plier handles, pausing 5 seconds between each turn. You must pause in between each turn. Continue adjusting the flush cartridge in quarter-turn increments until there is an audible sound change in the incoming water flow and water stops flowing into the toilet bowl. Do not turn the cartridge anymore while the vessel is pressurizing. Allow the water to become completely silent inside of the Flushmate. Once the vessel has pressurized, press down on the cartridge to flush the toilet. After flushing, the unit should refill and pressurize within 30 to 60 seconds. Repeat this process once more to ensure the cartridge is adjusted properly. Screw the actuator cap onto the valve stem. Next, close the flush lever and push down to slide the white barrel into the flush lever. Adjust the actuator so the flush lever is even with the right and left sides of the flush frame. If your Flushmate has a flush rod, slide it back under the retainer clips and place it back in the handle linkage. Then tighten the retainer clips. Now adjust the actuator so there is 1/8 inch of clearance to the flush rod. For technical support and resources, you can contact Flushmate using the information below. Thank you.